It's time to talk about a token which is on my radar for quite some time, and this one is basically BNB token of the native Binance chain, a Binance Coin you can call it, and this looks quite promising if you ask me. I have been covering it a lot in my, Telegram group and also in the Platinum and Academy. And in this video, I will take you through the technical part of the technical analysis of it, what I think of it, and what is the price potential, and of course, can you actually invest in it right now and make money? We will discuss that in this video. So let's dive in. Let's analyze the token and study the price action and see whether or not it's a good investment in the short term and long term. So before I begin, let me just tell you this is a trading channel. If you want to learn about technical trading, you can always join my academy. The link is shared below. And if you're looking for signals, making meme coin calls or etc., you can join my platinum membership. The link is shared below. Remember, do not add any other links. All links are there in the description. That is where you go about it and get started with your trading journey, a profitable trading journey. Now we talk about BNB chain. We know what it stands for. So if you look at the chart looks quite promising, and the best way to look at a chart is go with the monthly time frame, the higher one. So when we go to the monthly time frame, you can see the lines that I've drawn. It is clear indicator that it is about to enter a bull season, a bull market. Now you can see this line. If you can see, this is higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and now it looks like it's ready for making another higher high. Now the thing is that you can see the higher the time frame is, the better is the indicator, better is the pattern. So that is what I believe. That is exactly what is going on with this token. You can see clearly it is making good higher highs, higher lows. And if we draw some indicators here, let me draw, let's say, moving averages, the 51. So you can see here, this is an indicator, and 50 EMA is a good, dynamic resistance that tell you that where the token is heading. And clearly, apart from this trend line, which is a good support, this particular red line is also supporting my thesis, which means on a long term, if you see, this chart is looking very, very bullish. So that means after hitting a 50 EMA support and this trend line, it is now ready to bounce back up. Now, if we add the fundamentals of Clarity Act and of course what is going on in the US right now, I can see positivity around. And if the act passes, this is going to pump along with other altcoins like Ethereum or maybe Solana. Of all the altcoins, I think this has a good potential. And not only that, even the fundamentals, they are also launching a new chain. So Binance is launching a new chain, especially for AI agents, and it is predicted that they are going to use BNB token as their native token. If that happens, this token has an increased use case, increased utility, and of course the burn is also there with a controllable supply. They want to run it down to back to 100 million tokens, and right now it's standing at around 133 million supply only. So clearly we have 33 million tokens more to burn. When that will happen, the price will shot up. If you look at recent all-time high, this token hit an all-time high of over $1,000, particularly $1,300. That is quite bullish for this token. So remember, if the supply is reduced and the utility is increased, the price shall reflect, and that is exactly what I'm expecting right here. When the technical is supporting, the fundamental are supporting, I believe this token has a great potential to go beyond all-time high. It can also touch the highs of $5,000 or above. That is kind of possible in the bull run. So I'm quite bullish about this token and I will be DCing it. I'm buying it on regular intervals, and this will be my top priority among altcoins to get some BNB as soon as possible, because I believe it can rally really hard. Now, this is not a financial advice. I'm telling you from a technical point of view by analyzing the chart and the fundamentals. Now, again, if you're someone who want to learn trading in a short term and long term, I suggest you can always take part in my academy, join the academy, be part of it. We have a workshop, live workshop, we have courses, live trading sessions, reviews, and you will learn a lot. With basic forums and chat facility, you can actually join that and be part of the academy and make yourself a self-sufficient trader. So this is academy, links are shared below. Feel free to reach out to me if you need help on Telegram, and of course I'm there to help you out. So with that, I complete my video. I'm getting bullish with time, and I think the bull rally is around the corner. It may take some time, a bit delay, but it will be here for sure. Maybe in 2026 you will see good run, and I'm bullish on this BNB. So with that, I complete the video. Let's meet tomorrow in the new video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.